Hello everyone, welcome to my channel One Stop Placement. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to prepare your own resume step by step. First step is picking up the right resume format and layout. There will be no specific format for preparing a resume. It totally depends on the content you are going to place. The main thing is resume should not be long. It should contain maximum of 2 pages only. You can use MS Word or any application like Resume Builder, etc. Resume should be short and more informative. And the next step is mentioning your personal details and contact information. First, give your full name and your contact number with the country code. Mention your address and give your email ID. Please don't give your college email ID, and it is better to give your personal mail ID. You can also give your LinkedIn profiles or Skype ID. The next step is adding a resume summary or objective. After your contact information, you have the option to include either a resume summary or objective statement. It explains your career goals and a good choice for those with limited professional experience, such as recent college or high school grad. The next step is adding your educational details. In this, you have to give your recent degree first and followed by the past degree. You can also include your score in each degree you mention. You have to mention your graduation year and your field of study. You can also include any relevant honors or any achievements obtained during your education. The next step is listing your work experience and achievements. As a fresher, you will not have any work experience in any company. So, you can include your internships and technical projects you have done, and you can also include your paper presentations. And as the achievements, you can include your GATE score or any programming competition rank, etc. The next step is mentioning your skills. Mention the skills which you are very strong in the first and followed by the other skills you have. The main thing is you have to rate your skill so that the interviewer will know the information that how much you are strong in that particular skill. Please do not mention any skill which you do not have. The next step is adding your additional information. It is optional, but if you have interested, you can include languages known, hobbies, etc. If you have significant white space on your resume, consider adding an achievements and etc. This can help to supplement a shorter resume, especially for those with limited work and educational experience. Make sure that the achievements and interests you listed out should support your career goals and are relevant to the potential employer. The next step is formatting your resume. Formatting your resume is very important. You should take time to pay attention for formatting details like font style, font size, margins, and spacing. Formatting your resume make it look clean, professional, and improve readability. There are some tips that make your resume look polished. The first step is make your font size between 10 to 12 points. And the second point is select a font that is clean and easy to read. Make sure your margins are about 1 to 1.5 inches. And make your name and section heading to be bold. It is better to use bullet points whenever required. The next step is proofreading of your resume. You have to revise your resume for spelling, grammar, and punctuational errors. Reading your resume backward can help you identify errors easily. You can also ask your friends, colleagues, and family members if they can review your resume. If the resume is more than 2 pages, you have to shorten by removing the extra information. 2 pages may be acceptable if you are applying for a high level position. And the final step is tailoring your resume. It is very important to revise your resume for each position you apply for. You have to change the professional history based on the job description. For more information, there is a link given in the description below so you can download the sample resume for reference. Thank you.